This is the Woodford 35722 stem. This does fit the models 14, 17, 22, and the 22V. We'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of the complete stem here, starting at the end of the spines there to the end here. So it measures right at about 10 inches. And yeah, a couple things about it. It's got the spines there on the end, this rubber assembly there, and of course the end of the stem. That inside has those internal female threads. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll measure this complete end piece here in the bottom of that rubber assembly. You can see it measures right at about 1.25 inches with an outside diameter of about 3/4 inch. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 35722 stem.